Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert normal video to slow motion video in iPhone without app. The first thing you want to do is locate the video. Once you have found the video that you would like to convert, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner right beside the trash can. Then from there, you're going to tap on the speedometer icon in the top right hand corner right beside the three dots. Then you're going to see the option right where you see playback speed, and you can adjust the playback speed. So for example, we could tap on 50%. After selecting 50%, from there, if we were to play it, you can see that it has slowed down the video, and you can also adjust where in the video you like to be slow by simply pulling along the slider. If you would like it to start from the front, you could carry it to the front. So let's say we would like the first 10 seconds or 5 seconds better yet. We can carry it right there. Then if we were to tap on play, you can see that it is now in slow motion. And you can tap on the icon once more in the top right hand corner right there. And you can adjust it if you would like it to go back to regular speed if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.